Welcome back, Crammers, to question 8. The two-way table shows some information about the desserts chosen at lunch yesterday by the 80 students from year 5 and year 6. Each student chose one dessert from apple pie or fruit or ice cream. Now, what this means is that when we combine this whole row, we'll get this total. But that also means that when we combine this column, we get this total. And since we know that 22 plus x is equal to 56, we can bring it to the other side, and we know that x is 56 minus 22, or just 34. Now, as I said before, we know that this whole column combined equals 44. So that also means that 44 is equal to 34 plus 2 plus an unknown. We can bring these to the other side. So we have 44 minus 34 minus 2 is equal to x. 44 minus 34 is 10. We bring down the minus 2 is equal to x. And x is just equal to 8. Now we can combine fruit. 6 plus 8 is 14. And here, again, we have a total. So 44, one moment, please. We have 80 is equal to 44 plus an unknown. So if we bring 44 to the other side, we have 80 minus 44. So we have 6, 7 minus 4, that's 3. So this is 36. Now that we have 36, we can again use this column. We have 36 is equal to 22 plus 6 plus x. Then we bring this all to the other side. We have 36 minus 6 minus 22 is equal to x. We can simplify this. 36 minus 6 is 30. Minus 22 is equal to x. So x is just equal to 8. So 8 plus 2 in this column is 10, and we are done with question A. What fraction of these 80 students from year 5 chose apple pie? Give your answer in its simplest form. So here we have 22, and we simply have to divide this by 80. So we have 22 divided by 80 because a total of 80 students were asked, and we can actually simplify this by dividing by 2 and dividing by 2. We get 11 over 40. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.